savvy savers. Welcome back to Financial Guide, where we make your wallet smile. Today, we're diving into a topic that'll satisfy both your taste buds and your budget. Picture this, a young, caffeine-loving dude named Joe. Every morning, like clockwork, Joe walks into his local coffee shop, Brewed Bliss, and orders his favorite cup of Joe, the Caramel Dream. It's a delightful concoction that sets him back $5 every day. Doesn't sound like much, right? But let's do the math. $5 a day translates to $35 a week, $150 a month. And hold on to your lattes, folks, a staggering $1,800 a year. That's a pretty penny for a daily dose of caffeine, don't you think? Just imagine what that money could do if saved or invested wisely. Joe was spending a solid $1,800 a year on coffee alone. But then, something amazing happened. Joe discovered the wonderful world of DIY coffee brewing. He realized he could enjoy the same coffee bliss right at home and at a fraction of the price. Imagine this, waking up to the rich aroma of freshly brewed coffee in the comfort of your own home. But the real kicker, the incredible savings. Let's dive into the numbers. Say you invest in a decent coffee maker for about $50 and a bag of quality beans for $10. That's a total initial cost of just $60. Now, compare that to the $150 a month Joe was spending at Brewed Bliss. With home brewing, his monthly coffee expense dropped to approximately $20. That's a jaw-dropping $1,440 saved over a year. But it's not just about the money. It's about the power of financial independence. It's about the ability to save for that dream vacation, your education, or even just to grow your savings account. And the best part? You're in control. You can experiment with different beans, try out various brewing methods, and even mix up your own unique coffee concoctions. It's like being your very own barista. So why not give home brewing a shot? Start small and watch your savings grow. It's not just about saving money. It's about taking control of your finances. And remember, every dollar you save is a step towards financial freedom. If Joe invested in a coffee maker and some quality coffee beans, his monthly coffee expense dropped from $150 to around $20. That's a jaw-dropping $1,440 in savings over a year. See, it's not rocket science. You can enjoy your caffeine kick and still keep your wallet happy. Now, I know it might seem daunting at first, but trust me, once you get a taste of home brewing, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. The secret ingredient is always love and a dash of financial savviness. So, here's the challenge. Start brewing your coffee at home. Begin with the basics. A decent coffee maker and some quality beans. Over time, you'll refine your taste and find your signature blend. Remember, this isn't just about saving a few bucks on your daily latte. It's about taking control of your finances, one cup at a time. Let's recap. Joe, our coffee-loving friend, was spending a staggering $1,800 a year on coffee shop visits. After switching to a home brewing, he managed to put that money back into his pocket, save an impressive $1,440 annually, and still enjoy his beloved caffeine fix. Now, isn't that worth giving it a shot? Just imagine what you could do with that extra money. Invest, save for a rainy day, or maybe even fund that dream vacation you've been daydreaming about. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out on more financial wisdom and fun on Financial Guide. Stay frugal, stay caffeinated, and as always, make your money work for you. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, keep brewing and keep saving. Cheers. Thank you.